How to set up automated follow-up sequences using Zapify.io workflows. Create a new workflow and set the trigger to something like lead form submitted. So let's create a new workflow, add new trigger, something like this, then save trigger. And then add a send SMS action with a welcome message immediately after the trigger. So send SMS action, sample message, then save action. Then add wait step. Example, wait 1 day, then add another send email. So it's wait step, um, wait for example 1 day, then save action. Next, add another send email action. So, sample subject, then save action. And then continue adding wait plus message steps to build a multi-day follow-up sequence.